In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Onn TV red light blinking. Firstly, power cycle your TV. Use the remote control to turn off your Onn TV and locate the power cord at the back of the TV. Unplug it from the power source. Just press and hold the power button located at the back of the bottom of your TV for 60 seconds. This helps release any residual power from the TV capacitors. Secondly, plug the power cord back on into the TV and the power outlet. Press the power button on the TV or remote to turn it back on. Your Onn TV is now power cycled. If the blinking red light issue persists, try other troubleshooting steps like resetting your TV or checking the power source. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.